Hey yo, this is Dash, and today you're joining me out at the LoneStar Grillz 20 by 42 inch pellet cooker. You guys have seen me cook on this a few times. Today, I have to do that thing that nobody really talks about or nobody really shows all that much, in my opinion. I have to clean this guy out. We have been cooking. I've cooked a few times. I've done a few sears. Definitely time to clean it out. Actually, I don't know why I put the gloves over here. So you guys are gonna watch me get it cleaned out, and I'm gonna show you, what it looks like and the process of getting it cleaned out. All right, I'll bring you guys back. Hey yo, this is Dash. Get ready. All right, so first things first, I pop. I'm going to go ahead and get the grates out of here. Just gonna put the grates off to the side. And it doesn't look crazy in here. I'm gonna get the diverter plate scraped. Actually, before I do that, I'm gonna drop the shelf. Now I have some Huber brackets, but of course I forgot them in the house, so I can't. All right, we're gonna get the fire pot out. And typical. It's not too crazy down in there. I did one big cook, the brisket cook, and then everything else has been kind of quick cooks and using the fire pot open. But it doesn't look bad down there. All right, I'm gonna get a scraper and get this stuff cleaned up. All right, so I have a handheld scraper. And this is not very dirty. All right, get a good look down in there. It's not crazy at all. I'd say a little bit of ash, but there's not a lot of ash down in here. Just gonna knock this down, but the dirt and stuff, or the grease and gunk, is in this corner. Yeah. Hopefully you guys can see that well enough. But I'm gonna, I would say I'll get a shovel, but I have a small fireplace shovel I use in the cabinet to get the gunk out. Let's see. It works just fine. So, I mean, like I said, I haven't done very many long cooks in this yet, but we're getting it cleaned out. All right, this is not crazy at all. So I'm just going to use the shovel to get some of this ash out of here. Normally I would vacuum this out, but the vacuum is on the other side of the garage. And I'm just trying to get this cleaned out kind of quickly. Plus, this isn't that crazy. Now, can someone remind me in the comments to clean out the pellet cabinet? Because I'm sure that one is overdue to be cleaned out as well. But had I thought about it, I have a brush that I used also from the kit, the same kit for the fireplace kit. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy turned on. I have some ribs I need to cook today, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get this started. In case you guys have never seen this thing get started. While it's getting started, I'm gonna go ahead and get it reassembled. The diverter plate goes in first. And there's a place for the diverter plate to sit. And the cover for the fire pot goes on. Now the grates go on. This is the lower grate. And I'm not gonna put in the upper grate today because I'm gonna do some ribs on this momentarily. So like I said, I'm not gonna put the upper rack in. I'm gonna cook on the lower grate, and I have some ribs. I'm gonna put a little bit of water in the pan and get those ribs set up and going. But you guys, thank you so very much for watching along with this very quick demonstration of how to clean out the 20x42 from LoneStar Grillz, or the LoneStar Grillz 20x42 pellet smoker. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my ribs prepped. Once this comes up to temperature, I'll get my ribs in. And for you guys, it'll be a whole week, but for me, it'll be a few minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that started. I'll see you guys next time.
More butter, baby.